ZEO stock Friday and onward. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Yes, I'm looking at Zeo Energy. This thing, I'm surprised like how much it has gone up. Just for context, all I'm using is a strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions, and I'm telling you all of this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. So we're looking at Zeo, zooming out. Yeah, I see what I see. The only real bullishness for me is going to be if we start breaking above 474. Yeah, that's truth, because this is what's still holding the price down, and it is a decent supply area. And I'm not going to sit here and say that's not bullish, but actually that's not bearish, because honestly, if it gives me a decent double break, it's a clean short for me. Like no doubt about it, because after 28,000 videos, this is what I've seen happening most of the times. So it's not like I'm going to randomly short though, like it needs to give me the rules, but my bias is still pretty bearish. So if you want to achieve a long-term consistent income without fear, click the first link in the description. There is a free course.